Galleon Embedded Computing is proud to announce their new multi-platform rugged military computer, the XSR Tactical Secure Server. With sea, air, and land-based capabilities, this agile addition to the Galleon product lineup meets the demanding requirements for the most severe environmental conditions, without compromising performance, functionality, or reliability. Equipped with removable storage supported by dual-layer data-at-rest encryption, the XSR Tactical Secure Server ensures consistent and secure data management. With the latest 9th generation Intel Xeon E and Xeon D processor options, the XSR TSS offers up to 16 CPU cores and 128GB SD RAM with ECC. Its flexible architecture can provide the modern warfighter with advanced I/O, cutting-edge processing power, and ultra-high storage density. Housed in a swap-optimized design, the XSR Tactical Secure Server is protected by one of the most rugged and deployable mobile platforms available. Galleon Embedded Computing provides commercial off-the-shelf system-level and board-level rugged computing products primarily aimed at high-speed data acquisition, high-density storage, and complex signal recording systems. If you would like more information on this topic, please direct your inquiries to our team below. Galleon Embedded Computing. It's a go when it's a Galleon.